Reading Positive 2020 Development on the Bali Art and Cultural Landscape. The unraveling of global social, political, and economic event defines 2020 as the most extraordinary in modern history. Meanwhile, Bali tourist sector is in crisis due to the closing of international borders and travel restriction implemented by world government due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The decimation of tourists impacts significantly upon the island population and upon Bali art economy. Over 70% of the island residents are dependent on the tourist economy. There is, however, good news. Recent advances in the Bali art, cultural, and creative infrastructure, especially in Ubud, point toward a positive future. In the Mes district to the southeast of Ubud, existing development have introduced new world-class venue into the regions which complement the other art and cultural future of the area. This unique venue offer enormous potential to the Bali and Indonesian creative communities and beyond to the domestic and international visitor who will return to the island post-pandemic. Meanwhile, this development generate much needed employment opportunities for the residents of Bali. Mas has its own unique history, the cultural significant tradition of wood carving for religious purpose dates back to the 16th century. The legendary Javanese Hindu priest Dang Hyang Nirartha came to Bali from the royal courts of Blambangan in 1537, become the chief counselor to the Gilgil king dalam Baturegong. Nirartha was the founder of the Jiwa Buddha priesthood in Bali. Upon the main thoroughfare between Sukawati to Ubud, Jalan Raya Mas has undergone a rapid transformation during the past 5 years. Once overshadowed by the distraction of Ubud, Mas now has an array of stunning cultural and creative venues that considered its presence upon the landscape. At the same time, reinforcing the Gianyar Regency as the art and cultural epicenter of Bali.